you're among the people that will experience that wealth redistribution. Because God is going to give you a kingdom assignment and you will raise kingdom business people that will sponsor kingdom because you're going to be very wealthy. I'm ahead. The church will come into abundance. And I see a lot of young people here who are taking vacation just to go on missions. And you're going to nations and you are causing waves in those nations. There's actually somebody here, the call God is going to, you have not heard it now. By the time we are done on Sunday, you're going to be very certain about what I'm telling you right now. And your assignment will be to raise disciples. And the way you're going to do it is it's going to be like school of discipleship. So Kaleba Shayaraba, you just go raising disciples. And as you're stepping out, you just find yourself everywhere you go, just raising disciples. There's someone here that I actually see you start a big work in Zambia. I say the person is starting a work in Zambia. And in Zambia, you start a school of discipleship. And people are coming in and you are discipling them, leading them out of deception. This is a new day. I pray for you tonight